Does your device need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic, home collection and delivery with no calls or travel required. We send you a quote before repair and we only proceed with your agreement. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in the description. To begin, ensure you have the following tools ready: a Phillips screwdriver, a plastic spudger, and an anti-static wrist strap. These tools will help you safely open your laptop and replace the battery without causing any damage. First, power off your HP Pavilion 5th BC450NS and disconnect it from any power source. It's crucial to avoid any electrical hazards during this process. Next, place the laptop upside down on a soft surface to prevent scratches. Locate the battery release latch. You will find it near the center of the laptop's base. Slide the latch to the unlock position. This will allow you to remove the battery safely. If you encounter any resistance, gently use your spudger to pry the battery out, being careful not to damage any surrounding components. Once the battery is removed, take a moment to clean the battery compartment. Use a soft brush or a can of compressed air to remove any dust or debris. This will ensure optimal performance of your new battery. Now, take your new battery and align it with the connectors in the compartment. Press down firmly until you hear a click, indicating that it is securely in place. Remember, if this seems too tricky, we offer professional diagnosis without obligation, so don't hesitate to reach out for assistance. After securing the new battery, slide the battery release latch back to the locked position. This step is essential to ensure that the battery remains in place during use. Next, turn the laptop back over and power it on. Check that the battery is recognized by the system. You can do this by navigating to the battery settings in your operating system. If everything is functioning correctly, you should see the battery percentage displayed. If you experience any issues, remember that we provide collection and delivery at your home, making it easy for you to get professional help without the hassle of calls or travel. We can also provide a quote before any repair work is undertaken, ensuring you know the costs up front. Finally, once you've confirmed that the new battery is working, it's a good idea to keep your laptop clean and well maintained. Regularly check for dust accumulation and clean the vents to prevent overheating. This will prolong the life of your laptop and its components. In summary, replacing the battery in your HP Pavilion 5th BC450NS is a straightforward process that can be completed with a few simple tools and steps. Always prioritize safety and don't hesitate to seek professional assistance if needed. Thank you for watching, and we hope this guide has been helpful in getting your laptop back to optimal performance. Does your device need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic, home collection and delivery with no calls or travel required. We send you a quote before repair, and we only proceed with your agreement. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in the description.